Hey guys, today's video is going to be a will I buy it video. This video idea obviously comes from the Samantha March. She has been doing these for a couple of years now. She posts hers every Wednesday. Since I film on Fridays, I'm going to post mine on Monday so that it's as soon as possible. So you will see this on a Monday. So if anything came out over the weekend, then I'm going to have missed it. But just ignore that. I have done one other video kind of like this. I will link it here, but it was foundations only because I love foundations and I love reviewing foundations. But there haven't been a lot of foundation releases recently that I haven't picked up already and reviewed. So I'm going to just talk about all new makeup releases. I am going to talk about things that I have something to say about. Otherwise, I'm going to kind of skip it. I'm not going to talk about everything. But yeah, if that sounds like something you would be interested in, go ahead and like this video so that I know you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get into it. All right, I'm going to pull up Trendmood. The first thing I'm looking at here is the new Colourpop color sticks. They're like colored eyeshadow sticks, I guess. And I believe these are already, yeah, they're already available. An eyeshadow stick that glides easy and blends like a dream. I know they had eyeshadow sticks actually in one of their most recent launches. I remember because Ava reviewed it and I was really excited to see like something different in their collection. And I don't have a lot of eyeshadow sticks, but I do have that e.l.f. one from the Mint collection and I really love it. And I'm looking at these colors and they look really beautiful actually. So I am interested. I don't know if I will pick it up because I need to like have like a reason or a purpose. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I'm on the fence about these, but they do look really good and they are kind of on the back of my mind. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in seeing here on my channel. I could pick up a few colors, create a look, all of that good stuff. The new Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette. I've seen a few people doing reviews on that. It's called the Discovery eyeshadow palette True to Myself. I think the packaging is really cute and unique, but that kind of like concave top that it has kind of reminds me of almost like a trinket dish that you'd put like earrings and rings and your keys or whatever in, which I think is interesting. If you have like a very, very curated and small collection, that would be kind of nice to set kind of on the top and then you could put your earrings or your rings or whatever in it, but then you'd have to move them every time you wanted to use the palette. But I feel like that wouldn't fit really nicely with the 60, 70, 100 other palettes that I have. So the outer packaging being that like soup concave thing, kind of whatever. The swatches look super beautiful, and what I've seen people create of it looks really pretty, but I don't think that there's anything about it that is special enough that I need it because I have so many palettes. I am curious, since I've never tried any of her eyeshadow palettes or eyeshadow formula at all, so I'm curious of the formula itself, but I think I will hold out and hope she comes out with something maybe, I don't know, that would be more my everyday vibe and or more special to my collection, you know? I don't understand. I'm so confused about this. I'm looking at the, I don't even know the brand, Benefit. I'm looking at the new Benefit little, what are they, quads? Yeah, they have 4 different things. They have a highlighter, blush, bronzer, and another blush. I guess 2 blushes. And these are called Foroscope, like horoscope. But there's only 3 of them. Earth, fire, and air. There is no water. But looking at these colors, it's really disappointing. The packaging is, the naming, everything is really confusing and disappointing, honestly. I have a feeling that they did come out with a water one, but they didn't like it, or they didn't think it would sell, and I'm wondering if it was darker. Actually, it was probably not. It was probably lighter. So I am not into this at all. I don't think I've tried anything from Benefit, and I've heard that, like, you know, their brow stuff is on par, you know what I mean? Like, their brow stuff is maybe worth it, but I've never really heard anyone talk about things aside from Hoola bronzer, you know, in a way that was, like, really worth its hype, you know what I mean? So I'm not interested in that at all. Colourpop recently has come out with quads, and they do look very, very similar to that 5-pan ones that they came out with, the longer ones that are like love story and weird things like that. They look really similar to that, except for they don't have the pressed, I don't see pressed glitters, and I don't see any of those sequence shades. So to me, these definitely are more up my alley. But I'm my eyeshadow palette collection has gotten so big, you know, that I'm not sure if I want to bring in any more Colourpop. I know that I like their formula. Generally, I have heard there's like some inconsistencies within their formula. But of what I've tried, I like their formula. I would really love to see them get back to single shadows, because I think, especially with how much they come out with, I think it would be really nice to be able to kind of supplement your collection with what you needed. If you, for the summer, really wanted to go neon green and you went and got one neon green, that would feel more meaningful. You know what I mean? Rather than purchasing 8 more eyeshadow palettes for no reason. You know, I mean, I'm all for, like, I'm a maximalist. I'm all for having options and having lots and lots and lots of things. But if I've tried your formula in several different ways, and your color story that you're giving here, I mean, there's some really pretty ones. Don't get me wrong, some really pretty ones. These swatches that Trendmood has, beautiful. But nothing standing out. You know what I mean? Nabla Cosmetics has come out with a hyaluronic acid, what are they calling it? Skin Realist. It is a skin tint. Guys, I don't know. I kind of want to try it because they've never come out with a complexion product, and I think it would be interesting to compare it to my extensive collection of complexion products. Especially, like, you know, hyaluronic acid, creamy, gives a fresh, healthy, lifted, plumper appearance with a radiant, smooth finish. I think it sounds like something that I would like. I know that the swatches here are kind of like the full pigment swatches. I am really curious to see these swatches on deeper skin tones, and I do feel like the mix is a little weird. Like shade 2 and 3 look very, very similar. Like one looks a little bit more yellow, but like the tone and the depth look very, very similar. But then between 6 and 7, there's like 10 shades of jump. I definitely feel like it's not as equitable of a mix as it could be. But I think the package is really pretty. I think what it sounds like it's really good. So I don't know, I'm on the fence about this one. Let me know if you guys would like to see a 3-day wear test. I have not picked this up, but it's on my mind, you know? KKW Eye Contour Duos. This is not worth your money. I don't care if these shades are beautiful and perfect. You can definitely find these kinds of shades in a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette or an e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palette and use it. And if you just want to contour your eyes and you are not an eyeshadow person, use your bronzer. Do not spend your money on this. This is not worth your money. I'm sure that when people try this, they will be like, wow, they're the perfect tones. It's the perfect texture. Well, of course, because it's made specifically to contour your eye. But it's just, honestly, it's not worth this. Are you kidding? $24 for 2 eyeshadows? No. Absolutely not. Nope. $18 for this glossy lip balm? Maybe. Get the Laneige one. You know? I do want to try KKW, like, eyeshadows. I have swatched them in Ulta before, like, 84 years ago or something. And they feel really nice, you know, but they are $45 and it's just like, I'm not sure about that. Let me know what you think about that below. Oh, Holo Taco came out with new nail polishes. I love this texture of a nail polish, the like holographic, micro holographic nail polish. I love this kind. Does it say the colors? Let's see. Yeah, peach tea. That is, yes. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. Peach tea. I need that one in my life ASAP, and I also need to get my nails done because they look terrible. But I'm really, really, really into this nail polish, and I really, really want it. And I really love it. It's like a nude nail polish when you get like the peachy tone. It's like, well, for my skin tone, it's like a nude nail polish that's like fun also. Hourglass has come out with another new product and not expanded their shade ranges. No surprises here. We're gonna just move on past that. Not even gonna put a picture up. Colourpop also. Look, I'm scrolled through 10 days and we've got 3 Colourpop releases. Okay. Colourpop has come out with more 5 pans, and this doesn't look real. This looks photoshopped. Like, it looks like someone was like, we should do this, and they photoshopped it together, and then Trendmood released it. I don't know. It does not look like real photos of real palettes, but they do look like brighter, more saturated, more pigmented colors compared to a lot of what they've released that is very, very chalky on deeper tint skin tones. So I think these majority of them look like they would actually show up and not be like ashy looking. But I don't think that there's any here that are speaking to me. I'll have to wait and see if there are some swatches and see what those textures are and see like real pictures of these items. Haus Labs has come out with a lip oil. If you haven't seen, I have posted 2 videos about lip glosses specifically, but I love lip glosses. I love moisturizing, nourishing lip products. I am really excited about this. This looks super nice on the lips. Ooh, these close-ups. Oh my gosh, stop. These close-ups look beautiful. Ooh, I've never tried anything from Haus Labs. Are you guys interested in Haus Labs? Lip softening oil delivers a sheer, supple shine before it soaks in for a true to you tint. Oh, interesting. So it's kind of like a pH tint as well as a nourishing oil, which I do believe, like the Kosas Wet Oil lip oil, it is a very nice like oil, but it does soak into the lips. $24 each. Oh, okay. Here are some better pictures later on of those Colourpop, the new 5 pans, the colorful ones. It still to me doesn't look, it looks more like a picture. Okay. Those swatches of Rumor Has It look pretty cute. Got like periwinkle colors and then like an aquamarine color. I'm gonna screenshot these so I can show you. They've also come out with that brow wax recently. I don't do a lot with my brows, but I am kind of curious since I've seen a lot of people say that like the soap brow thing kind of gives you more volume to your brows than you have. It makes it a lot easier to make it look like you have brows. So I'm kind of curious about that. Are you guys into brow waxes like that? I'm curious about that. Oh my gosh. And then this one just popped up today. This is the new ABH Summer Inspired Face Palettes. They are a 3-in-1 essential featuring new formulas of bronzer, highlighter, and blush. Guys, first of all, the lightest one, the bronzer is orange. Pale people cannot use orange bronzers. Okay? And the darkest one, I could probably use that bronzer as a contour. It is not that dark. And this is supposed to be for summer. This is summer inspired. You know, most people are like tanner than normal in the summer. And this is not, no. Why? Why do you guys keep embarrassing yourselves like this? I mean, makeup wipes and then this. Like, how? I don't understand. Anyways, but yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hi, I'm Amy. Woo!